What's up, YouTube? You're probably wondering, where the hell have I been? Let's see if I can even get off the bike from here. If not, I'm not doing it. No, we're not doing it. We'll just stay on the bike. So, we'll talk about the bike in another video, because I'm still not fully comfortable on this bike. I haven't been back on a motorcycle for a while, like 2.5 years, 3 years. So, what did I end up getting? It's a Honda XR650L Dual Sport. As you can see, I'm on some reserved for fire road. Probably not really supposed to be on, but hey, for taxpayers, we have every right to be on this road. I don't give a damn. Anyway, so where have I been for the last, I don't know, couple of years? And I'll let you guys know I am on a new Gopro Hero 9, which I am learning how to use. So if there's wind, there is a slight breeze up here. I am sorry for that. So yeah. Anyway, so I've been, since the BMW engine / clutch blew up and destroyed itself, I have been up to the bike, and then the fourth and fifth wire, which is your battery wires, I believe. And then that's it. And my Honda dealership wanted to charge me $600 just to install a stupid digital gauge system. Well, it's not stupid, it's nice, but all you're doing is hooking 3 wires into this bike. All you're doing is hooking up the speedometer, which sticks to the front forks, which reads a magnet off of my brake disc. And then the RPM wire, which goes and sits on top of your spark plug. And then the oil temperature wire goes in a spot where the oil line runs. And you just take out the plug and put the wire in and plug it back in, and you're done. And then you just hook up the battery, the 2 wires to the battery, and you're done. So I don't understand. I guess it's either they don't want to do the work, or they're just so overwhelmed they have to charge extra money for it. So whatever. At least I get to do work myself on the bike. So anyway, so that's where I've been for the last 2 years. I just been working nonstop, working 6 days a week, like every 2 months, 3 months. I'll maybe have a single month where I'll get 2 days off, but majority of the time I've been working 6 days a week, sometimes 7 days a week, because normally I have a security guard that comes in and covers me when I'm on my days off. Well, I've gone through 5 security guards that quit on me because they don't like the location or whatnot. And so yeah, that's the reason why I have to work 7 days a week a lot, because I have to cover those stupid days. So anyway, that's where I've been for the last year to year and a half, or 2 years. And that's why I haven't posted a single video, because I had no motorcycle. So I have nothing to post. So sorry about that, everybody. Like I said, I'm back now. I plan to make a lot more videos, or at least as much as I can, with my crazy hectic work schedule. Like literally, I'm probably gonna get myself sick because I'm not choosing to go to sleep on time, because I work from like 10 o'clock to 7 a.m. 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So yeah, it is, what time is it right now? Almost 2 o'clock, and I'm supposed to be asleep right now, but whatever. I'm making videos for you guys. Hell yeah. Let's go ride.